Do you actually have that much time? Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to discuss about how you can be efficient in data structures and algorithms, and how you can understand all these concepts in and out. So probably you have heard about this website Leetcode. You can see it in the background opened up, and let me just show you the topics which are present here. So these are all the topics, as you can see, right? So most of the topics are covered here, and let me tell you, if you solve all these questions, you would be really good in data structures and algorithms and in problem solving. So there are about 2000 questions. Do you actually have that much time? Do you actually have that much time to solve 2000 questions? Now the problem here is many of those questions will be using the same concepts, right? Just to give you an example, there might be you might be solving the concept of binary search. The implementation or the usage might be different depending on the question, but once you know the concept, once you have solved 2 or 3 questions, do you need to solve 100 questions on the same thing? So what I'm trying to convey is you have to work in a way that you cover all the algorithms, right? You cover different concepts without being working on just single problem. So I have seen a lot of students struggling with this thing. You start with array and you keep on doing the questions related to array only. You do it like 3 months, 4 months, you solve 400 questions related to arrays, and at the end of the day you say that you have solved so many problems, but it doesn't make sense. You are just good at arrays only. In my undergrad as well, I have solved about more than 1000 questions related to data structures and algorithms on different websites like CodeChef, even on Leetcode, HackerRank. And based on my own experience, what I have done is I have shortlisted 80 questions which are based on different techniques and algorithms. I have been putting those questions on my YouTube channel. I'm creating a playlist. In this playlist, all of your questions related to different concepts would be there. If you have an interview or you want to have a complete idea of different data structures and algorithms, you can just do these 80 problems and you will have a complete idea, right? And while solving the questions, if you find that there is a particular concept or a particular algorithm which is a bit difficult and you want to work on it more, then you can probably go back to Leetcode or some other website like HackerEarth or HackerRank and solve problems related to that particular topic. But you should have knowledge of all the data structures and algorithms, all the different kinds of problem, and that I have really listed down the problems which can cover all of them. So I would be putting them on my YouTube channel. So just to tell you, this is the interview preparation playlist that I have on my YouTube channel, and this is one of the problem like 0 1 matrix, right? And I have 7 problems uploaded as of now, but I would be uploading more of these problems. And idea here is I just want to provide crisp 80 problems which are really good, and covers different algorithms, so that you will have a complete idea of different data structures and algorithms. So this will prevent you from solving 2000 problems here on Leetcode. Again, practice is the key, but you should practice in a right way. You should practice different data structures and algorithms rather than concentrating just on one particular topic. Yep, that was it regarding this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can ask it in the comments.